just read in a book the difference between these two, because I thought I'd better check up first. And I've got myself into completely confused about it, and I was pretty certain before. So can I just read you the phrase? See if you... Now imagine if you're looking this up because you don't know. Would this add light to it? The first is in the verbal sense. The second is in an adjective or a preposition. So we passed. Let's find our pen. If it's got pass, that's to go, we pass the end of the garden, we went past the end of the garden. It's the act of moving, isn't it? You pass it by, you passed by it. This is when something has happened in past times. We were there for the past week. So just hang on to that bit there, the moving past. Did you go past it? Yes, we went past by. I was so clear. Does make you wonder, doesn't it? See you soon. Bye-bye.